All right, y'all. So I believe it's day three, I believe, and I forgot to tell y'all something. This car's automatic, man. So we're doing a manual swap on it also. So we already got the 5-speed in here. I'm gonna take this stuff out. Do that, twist that out, we'll get it out, and then we'll go from there, y'all. So let's get that out right now. Alright, so once you take that off, you gotta take this off. There's gonna be a couple screws. 1, 2, and maybe that third one. Alright, so I got all 3 screws up now. Let's see. Well, I guess the back one's still in a little bit. Whew, so after struggling and fighting, you gotta take this off. It's 2 screws right here, 1, 2, and then it's 2 screws right here, 1, 2. There's 2 screws on the bottom, which are broke. On the bottom right there, 1, 2. Then this comes up. Then once this comes up, you have access to those 3 bolts I told you about. Remember, 1, 2, 3. You just pull this up, and this comes. And this little mechanism has a little thing with it. On the bottom yesterday, I cut this already, so the rest of this should just come up. And the shifter assembly will be out. Alright, so I got it out finally. Shifter assembly pieces out. And bam, you can see the tunnel, Barney Rubble with it. So then, there's like a little center bushing that goes on the bottom. I'll show you guys, and then we'll start putting the shifter assembly together, make it look like a manual car now. Let's get it. All right, so I'm gonna take y'all with me on a mission under the car, dog. Show you how to do this. So now we got the shifter all lubed up. Gonna come on the bottom, and right here it's like a center bearing. Gonna push the shifter in the middle. Like that. And then cool. So my bad, y'all, it's still recording. Put the shifter up there like that. Do that hole. And when the trans comes up, it's gonna sit right there. Alright, y'all, so I got a longer drive shaft now. This should be a drive shaft to fit, to go over here and make it fit. So yeah, let's get it, man. Drive shaft, and then put some bolts in. We'll go from there. I gotta take the other 3 bolts I got in there, the remainders. Let's get it. As you can see also, I got the shifter rod in there. I got that up there. I got that right there. That's all going down. Both the B clips on. We ready to go. Now just drive shaft. So yeah, y'all. Today, you know, it's about to rain out here, so I had to hurry up and finish. Yeah, y'all, so today is about to rain, so I had to hurry up and get to the point and try to get it done quick. So today, yeah, y'all, so today we just got the drive shaft in and all that. What's cracking, y'all? I think we on day 4 now. So we on day 4, you know what I'm saying? And we're getting these pedals out. So since it's so dark and ugly in there, like a scary movie, I can't get y'all in here. I did everything already, so I did the hard work for us. So it's 4 bolts. 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and then there's another bolt up top. I don't know if you can see it. 5. So those 5 bolts, and then once you get those 5 bolts off, it's a clip that connects to the brake booster. You pull that clip off, and then the pedal will be free. If not, you just wiggle and pull, and it should come out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to try it out. Oh, it still got 1 screw. Let me take this last screw off. Where's the pedal? How much is the pedal? So yeah, once you get that last screw off, you just wiggle it off. And bam! The pedal is loose. I had the pedal out. It's nice. Look at that, 200. Now the pedal's out. You in the game, man. Check that out.
So crazy.
Back at it. I don't know what I skipped on y'all. I probably skipped the gang and stuff, but motor and transit's in under the thing. I don't know if it was gonna rain due to my luck. We got the pedals in this thing. Bang. And we got the stick shift in there. So a little bit of the pedals. I didn't show y'all the pedals because it's dark up under there. I have a light up under there, and I couldn't get a camera mounted under there. But it's pretty much, you got the pedal, you got the master cylinder, and then there's 2 things that go in there. It's one that goes straight up to the brake booster, and then it's a hard line that goes down to the bottom that goes to the slave cylinder. So what I did, so I got the hard line down to the slave cylinder. I'm about to show y'all from that step forward. So we're about to get it right now. Let's get it. I'm taking a little intermediate break because it's super hot out here, y'all. It's like 256 degrees. It's wild. All right, now I'm about to go up under the car, show you the clutch lines and whatnot. That's the main one right there. So disconnect that one, and then I'm gonna hook it up to the line right there. So basically the line that went through the pedals, went through the car, comes right there, and then goes to the slave cylinder. So I'm gonna go from there to there. Let's get it. All right, so yeah, now I got the new clutch line there. Put some Teflon on that, bam. So that goes from the pedal. It goes from the bottom of the pedal, right here, bam, to that hard line. Then right there, bam, to the slave cylinder. So now it's gotta bleed the slave cylinder, and then we should have a clutch pedal. Well, I gotta go up top and do some more stuff. But in the meantime, I'm about to change this fuel lines before this shit catch on fire or something. So let's do that, and then we on. What's up, y'all? So like I said, man, pedals and under the hood, that's why we got intake manifold on, wiring on, all that done. Right now, I got the brake bleeder booster on the brake booster, and I'm about to drain the brake fluid in the clutch so we can get a pedal like Geppetto. Yeah, so on that car, we got the brakes bled. Next episode, hopefully we get it running, so check it out. Until then, y'all, peace.